long time no see. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. This time, me and my friends Nura, we are going to make food.
Yes.
Right? This time, like today, it's just vlogger for the make food. Yeah, Nura come to my home and then Nura will make food and teach me how to make what is it, Iran food or?
Persian food.
Persian food?
Yes.
Yeah, this is a Persian food. So she gonna teach me how to make Persian food from the chicken. Okay.
Chicken.
Yes, but first, yeah. What
Garlic.
ingredient we need? Yeah, a garlic. Yes, and then
Paprika.
and then
And aubergine.
aubergine. Yeah, this aubergine is like she have cut it before.
Yes.
Yeah, and then
tomato.
and tomato. This one you have a tomato.
Yes.
So it will be fun and easy also. So don't forget for you guys that you just new, welcome to my channel, and then don't forget to subscribe. I hope you enjoy our vlog today with the food. Okay? So let's get started. Yeah, so we are ready now. Make food like from Iran.
Yes.
Right? And then I'm gonna make like Indonesian chili sauce. So we're gonna make culture like mix, which is that Iran fruit, and then Indonesian food, which is that I have like a chili with me, and then I have like lime leaf, and then also I have this lemongrass, and then also Nura have like this is aubergine. And then also this one is the paprika, with the onion. Sorry, this is a garlic. Sorry guys, this is a garlic. And then with the chicken. So you are curious, right? What's gonna be taste like when we mix Indonesian food and Iran Persian food? So check it out. Yeah, so me and Nura, first I will cut the bluegrass and then lemongrass, sorry, and then Nura gonna cut the aubergine.
Yes.
Yes. Can you introduce to my followers that where you come from and then how long you been in Norway?
Yes. I've been in Norway about 15.
Oh, 15 years.
Yes.
Wow, it's 15 years.
And
Okay.
I'm studied
You study
science,
chemistry and biotechnology.
engineer.
Engineering. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you like Norway so far? Do you like Norway?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. You like Norway? Is it?
It's a little bit boring and it's good.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, right. It's okay. What's different Norway and Iran?
Different is in Norway, it's more freedom.
The weather? How about the weather? Is
Don't ask me.
Why, guys?
Don't ask me.
Why? What's the difference? Like the weather in Norway and in Iran?
It's very cold.
Yeah.
And dark.
Yeah.
Long winter.
Yeah.
And cold. Summer.
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
And then but you like winter?
Yes.
Can you teach us or show us how to speak Norwegian? You can speak Norwegian with me. Sure, why not? Yeah.
Yeah, we can try it.
Yeah. Okay, let's try our Norwegian.
Yes.
Hva gjør du i Norge?
Hvorfor jeg er i Norge?
Ja, hvorfor du er i Norge? Hva gjør du i Norge?
Jeg er i Norge fordi jeg tror Norge er en bra land for kvinner og jenter. Så jeg føler meg her mye bedre. Og sånn, jeg har masse alternativer og muligheter i framtiden min.
Yeah.
Så derfor jeg liker å bo i Norge. Ja. Hvorfor du liker å bo i Norge?
For meg,
Liker du eller liker du ikke?
Jo, Ja, for første, det er på grunn av snøen. For første, fordi i landet mitt vi har ikke snø.
Aha,
Så,
du liker på grunn
ja.
av som her vi har så mye
Ja, mye snø. Men etter kanskje 3-4 år, jeg føler meg Nei, kanskje dette er ikke grunnen min som jeg liker Norge. Men ja, jeg liker Norge på grunn av også at alle skolen er fri, og sykehus er fri også. Så fordi i landet mitt man må betale mye. Sånn, ja. Yes.
Altså, jeg er enig med deg som Norge gir oss masse muligheter til å kanskje lage framtida
riktig, ikke sant?
Kanskje studere og finne jobb og ikke sant?
Riktig. Og så kan du gi anbefale til noen som kom til Norge for første gang, hvordan de klarer seg og bor i Norge. Kan du gi litt anbefale hvordan?
Jeg tror også det er første ting som man må prøve å gjøre det. Det er å lære språket. Det er viktig. Du kan snakke som norsk. Og etterpå kanskje finne og lage nettverk. Og snakke med folk og bli kjent med folk det er viktig.
Viktig, So, guys, the first one is the language that if you want to survive in Norway, learn the Norwegian language. Yes. But yeah, after this, because we just almost finished with the cutting, right? So after this, me and Nura gonna make like a quiz. So Nura and me, we're gonna test our education about our country. So which one is know better about our country? Me or even Nura? Are you curious? So let's get started! Iran. Wait a minute. Okay. Is it not? Tehran! No!
Yes!
Okay.
Indonesia.
Maybe Jakarta, I don't know.
It's Jakarta? Yeah, that's right. She know it. Religion in
Iran.
What a religion in Iran? Is it a Muslim?
Yeah.
I know, guys. What is the president of Indonesia?
Det begynner med jod.
Jod!
Jod.
Jod.
It is Muslims, ne?
Joe. Yeah, Joe. It starts with Joe. I know it.
John. John.
Jokowi.
Oh, that's so funny.
First season, I think. Did I have snow? Like maybe like one is the summer, and then fall, and then spring, and then snow.
Yeah.
Do they have snow? Yeah, snow.
We have. Yes.
Yeah, I know Iran. Directly say Indonesia don't have
snow.
Yes.
And the host.
Yeah, fall.
Yeah.
Fall and spring.
Yeah. Just
summer.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is cool.
One more. Okay. This is the last. Our last. Which one is the best one? Okay.
Okay.
No, without help. Okay. Yes.
Kan du noen ord på
Iran? I know.
Don't say. Don't say it.
I know just one that I don't remember. The one that I know is a Pedas. And also like salam. Salam.
Salam.
Turah.
Yeah.
Ur på indonesisk.
Yeah, just Anji Bobby. Anji Bobby.
Right, good.
No, she
You know
just Anji Bobby.
You know it. Okay, guys. So yeah, so Nura and me know about like our culture, our
Yes.
Indonesia, and I know that a bit about Iran is really, really good. But yes, yeah, we have finished with cutting. So let's we continue with the cooking time. Cooking time.
Yes,
cooking
yes, yes,
time.
yes.
Okay, guys, cooking time. So this is the Nura food, and then this is my food, Indonesian food, and this is that Persian food, and with the chicken, right? So let's we dig in.
Yes.
You try. Yeah. Try. Take it. You cannot hold, guys. It's really hungry.
Me too.
Is it good?
Yes, of course.
Really? Okay, so I will try.
Lily.
So, by the way, she tried the chili. Look at her.
I love it.
She loved the chili.
You should try it.
Yeah, right. I'm gonna try this one.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you can
Try this one.
eat
This
it
one. Yeah.
and give me your comment.
Yes.
what do you think about this food?
Yes. You can also make it, guys, at home, right?
Yes.
Not difficult either.
No. But it's so delicious.
Yes, it is. Show them how you eat the chili.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah,
I
show
can.
them, show them, show them.
I like it.
Show them. Can you see? She eat that thing. The chili thing. Look at her face.
I love it.
Verdade agora.
Mm.
See? See? Oh, she love it. This is my turn to try
Yes.
her food. First, I'm gonna take the chicken. Chicken. Just a chicken. Mm-hmm.
It was good.
Mm. 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 Wow. The chicken also, the texture is really, really good. It's easy to chew. Mm. Oh, really good. We mix it with my chili, Indonesian chili, and then the aborigine and the chicken.
Yes.
Mm. Mm. Oh,
It was good.
really good.
Really good.
Wow. The combination is really good together, right?
Yes. Mm. Aubergine.
Chili
Yes.
chicken.
And this rice.
Yes, it is. Wow, really good. Mm.
A few moments later.
Look at her.
Chili.
Beautiful one. Oh.
It's good, right?
So good. I cannot stop.
She cannot stop
No.
because of chili.
So good.
Look at her. Mm.
Mm.
We are done with the food today. So thank you, Nora. You enjoy like with you come to my home and then we made the food. And then do you like the chili, my Indonesian chili food?
Yes, I love it.
Yeah, she love it. And I like also your chicken is really good and your aborigine is really good. So I think next time I'm gonna make more.
Yes.
This one,
we can
right?
do it.
And I hope you enjoy and like my vlog today, like our cooking together, like Indonesian and Persian food.
Yes.
Right? Yeah. So for you guys who wanna make us like challenge, I'm gonna challenge Nura or something, and anyone else or something or any idea, just comment on below, and then we will think about it, right? To make it next time.
Subscribe
Yes.
and like.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe. Yes, yeah. Okay, guys, see you the next video. Thanks for today. Bye bye.